Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Roblox and you search for YouTube Simulator Z. You want to join a lively server so you have viewers and interactions right away. Once in, make sure your graphics and performance settings favor steady FPS so recordings won't stutter. Claim any starter items and follow the in-game tutorial prompts because those unlock core mechanics you'll use immediately. While you check controls, bind your primary camera and interaction keys so you can focus on content creation without fumbling. You now focus on making consistent videos. Set up the camera, pick a clear angle, and hit record while performing tasks that generate views. Once done with a recording, use in-game editing tools and thumbnails to improve viewer retention because better thumbnails and pacing attract more subscribers. Make collaborations and participate in timed events to spike your visibility, and spend early earnings on upgrades that increase view rate and video quality. Keep experimenting with formats until you find what grows fastest. You finish by publishing and scheduling uploads strategically, and then you add end screens and relevant tags to keep viewers moving to your next video. Once published, monitor analytics in-game to see which formats and lengths perform best so you can reinvest into better gear and hiring staff boosts that increase passive earnings. If something goes wrong, like lag or crashes, restart Roblox, clear temporary files, lower graphics settings, and reconnect to a different server. That simple troubleshooting fixes most session problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.